Oh no. Oh no, Tiana's back from school, guys. I knew I should have posted that video later. I've not even tried it up! Wah! Right, whoa.
For quality brands and a company you can trust, visit Victoria.
Tom. Oh, the shoes fell off. Oh no, oh no. Oh, come on, Tom, come on. Confetti. Oh no. Oh, I'm never gonna make it in time. She's here. I know she's here. Oh, come on. Oh, this is. Oh. See, how was your day at school? You been swimming today?
Yeah.
I've just been filming myself. I'm making this for, you know, the video for you.
Dad.
Yeah.
What's all of this? Who's been opening my LOLs?
No, it's not from LOLs. It's from, Mum, what's it from again? Was making something.
I don't know, I've got nothing to do with it.
No, it's not.
What?
It's tattoos and everything.
Oh no, she's gonna. What? Oh,
It was a golden one.
right, Tiana. Okay, listen, I'll tell you what happened. Listen, I'll tell you. Right? I opened your LOL, what's in your drawer down.
What? That was my last one.
I've made a video to go on Toys with Me.
What? Why is that one? Why is that fantastic? What? Have you?
I just wanted to make a video.
Hey, I heard that.
Are you not mad?
Yes.
Eh? See? Right, what doll? I think it's something called something B, is it? It's a duplicate. What's the matter, you? Tiana, I put the video on Toys with Me already, that's why I didn't get time to tidy up. I think you'll like it.
Delete it.
Delete it?
She is gonna get you back.
No, what? What happened?
T? T, it's Mummy. It's Mum. T, we'll team up together.
No.
Yes, watch, I've got a plan. Hello. T, what can we do to get Dad back? Have you checked your drawer? It's gone. It is that one, isn't it? Right, you need to get changed, Tiana. Just act normal. Then we need to come up with a plan.
I need to think of some ideas. You can see him take it from my drawer. I need to get him back. Right, Mum?
Okay, T.
But don't tell him.
No. I'll help you.
I can't believe he actually put a video on my channel.
Hi guys, Toys and
Cringy. That's it, guys. I've just come back home from school. I'm a bit mad at Dad, and I think he probably would have said, I bet Tiana's gonna be mad, especially because it was a golden ball. Right, so now I need to think of something to get him back with. I think I might know. But first I need to get changed. I'll be right back.
Later.
I'm back! Guys, I'm so sorry because I've not been uploading videos for a while on this Tiana channel, but it's so cool on this channel, and make sure to join the TT squad! And I love you all! I'm still mad with Dad because he stole my LOL, and not just was it an LOL, it was a golden ball! getting back. Basically, I'm thinking to prank Dad. Shh. I think he's upstairs, so I need to be quite quiet because this house echoes a lot. Hopefully he doesn't hear that. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a lot more pranking on this channel in the future. I'm really excited to prank Dad. Yes! Oh yes, and a shout out. I've not done a shout out on this channel in a while, and it's going to be Ruby Pickering. Yes, and by now I think I know what you guys have to do in order to get a shout out. Basically, subscribe, hit the like button on, notification bell on, and comment when you have done. Oh yeah.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm seeing what you're up to.
What are you up to?
I'm just filming you.
I've got to make this top for the, what are they called again? The aquariums, for that challenge.
Okay.
I've got you doing that.
What about the mesh you've made as well?
I've got to clean that up as well.
Okay.
Tiana mad?
Yeah, a little
I
bit.
heard a bit of shouting downstairs, didn't you?
She's alright.
This is a LOL golden ball. I want to do toy reviews all the time. If the fans like it, I'll do it again.
I think you'd have a word with Tiana about
You
that.
better stick with me with this.
No.
Mom, where you gone? Why don't you do this? I thought you were doing this. Where is she? Trey, where you at? What you doing the tops of them tanks?
Okay, so I'm really excited to make some slime. So let's fill this up.
This is going to be really funny.
Yeah. Do you think this is enough?
No, a bit more.
Okay. Is this?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so I'm going to pour this whole packet.
So at least it won't go in Dad's hair.
Smells so nice. Oh, can you smell it?
Yeah. That is good.
What? It's already working at the top.
I think we need to be a bit more quiet.
It's time to get him good. This is gonna be funny. Oh, the slime at the bottom. Whoa, can you see that? Look, Mom.
That's good.
Annoying. I've just seen the glimpse of you in the corner of my eye. Mum!
You've been slimed.
Just for the LOL?
Yeah.
Prank wars. I'm telling you that. You both, you and you, are getting.
Does it taste good?
You and Tiana have finished me. Prank wars are on. Wait till I told Jordan about this.
Jordan will be on our side.
Yep. Guess where this is going?
What? Go away!
Blob.
What's that?
That's slimy.
I don't know why I'm smiling. I'll get you back. You think it's... What? Turn that camera off!
T, do you feel better now?
Yeah.
I need to see myself. No way, Tiana. Tiana. No way. And I.
Richie.
I bet you laughing as well. No, this is bad. I'm not, this is it. I'm turning the camera off. Bye.
No one takes my echo else, or you'll get slimed. Pretty much, yes. So make sure to not take my LOLs, or you will get slimed, just like my dad. And Dad actually ran straight away into the shower, and Tom's smiling. Tom, why are you wearing my clothes? Ew. Anyways, so yeah, it's all on today.
I can't get the slime off my face! I'm in the shower, it can't come off!
Oh dear, T, what are you going to do?
Tiana, that's it! Prank wars are on!